Hey guys, it's Marcus from Stealth LED, and we're here with our VW Transporter T6.1, and we're going to be unboxing and installing our bespoke 7-inch twin grille integration kit. But firstly, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. So all our kits come with a detailed step-by-step installation guide, along with a difficulty rating specific to each kit. We've rated this kit a 3 out of 5, as some cutting of the grille will be required. Each kit includes our stainless steel powder-coated mounting brackets, installation hardware, wiring looms, a wireless control fob, 3D printed cutting guides, and our custom end caps for that sleek finish. But most importantly, the lights themselves. Now that we've seen the contents of the kit, let's get it installed on the grille. Our 3D printed cutting guides and end caps are marked from A to D and will assist you in achieving the perfect fit in the grille. No need to worry about cutting too little or too much. All our brackets mount to OEM points on the vehicle. The kit's secure, fully installed and looking great. Now let's see how it performs on the road. So this kit produces an impressive 10,080 lumens, perfect for safety on work sites and for nighttime driving. The impact and scratch resistant polycarbonate lens along with the UV protective hard coating both ensure maximum durability. The sleek black powder coated finish adds that stealthy look to your Transporter. To find out more about this kit or our full product range, head over to our website.